Arkadaşım evde var yanında. O da benim arkadaşım olur. Lütfen abone olun, yorumlarınızı ve isteklerinizi aşağıya yazabilirsiniz. Başlıyoruz. Oyunumuza başlıyoruz. Yeni yere gelmiştik en son. İzliyorsanız görürsünüz. Bu arada ses gelmiyordu. Onu düzelttim. Yani size geliyor.
咪攞命啊
！Oğlum zenginlerin yanına geldik. Arkadaşlar,
如果你想要所有最新款嘅手機同掌上電腦，我哋保證 Import Global 嘅產品最平，冇人平得過我哋。而家就嚟睇下我哋嘅最新優惠價，同所有你最中意嘅 Import Global。
Bakalım. Evet demiş. Uzakta olmalı. Evet. Tam düşündüğüm gibi. Eski evimizin oraları. Burada evimiz de var. Bu ne? Saçma. Şu ters evine gidiyor. Evet arkadaşlar, görevimize gidiyoruz. Bayağı bir para veriyoruz. Saçma biraz. 310 TL.
Quay à, con này hả? Con này không còn喺度à hả? Trông sai la.
Bu karı nasıl konuşuyor?
Con lại hả?
Hello, Wei. Thanks for driving me around.
Yeah, no problem. So, where are we going?
The flower shop. I still have to...
Geçelim şurayı.
So, Wei, do
Başladı bölümümüze.
you have a girlfriend?
No. My life, it wouldn't be a good idea right now.
Your life is why it'd be good. You have to have someone you can be soft with too, Wei. It's very important. If you're hard all the time, one day you'll forget how to be soft. Then what will you be? Don't scratch the paint! I do say so. You are family now, Wei. I have to... Wei, what are you doing?
So how do you get on with Winston's mother?
She's a handful. But, you know, her bark is worse than her bite.
That I know. How about her meat cleaver?
Ha! That's worse than her bark for sure. No, she used to scare me, but then one day, I was having a problem with Winston. He wasn't paying enough attention to me, too distracted with work. And Mrs. Chu gave him a big lecture in front of the whole gang. I thought she might use that cleaver on him. Ever since then, Winston's been an absolute doll. And even though she still yells a lot, I know her heart is in the right place.
You're lucky. My mother never liked my girlfriends.
I guess it's hard for the moms.
Well, I mean, you know, I used to have a thing for blondes too, and that drove her crazy. Not enough if I went out with a Chinese-American girl, but a whitey?
Well, it's good to know she was loyal to her people.
No, she's loyal to her prejudices, more like.
That too?
we are.
Ah, so good to see you again. Welcome, welcome. I'm here to finalize the details of the flight. I'm just gonna change back and then we'll be done. Actually... All right, next we need to pick up the wedding cake.
So you got a cake picked out?
Winston's in charge of that. He knows I'm very particular about cakes, but he promised I wouldn't be disappointed. I'm sure Winston will impress me. It's our wedding after all.
And your wedding has to be perfect.
Now you're getting it. So your mother took you to the States?
Yeah, she loved Hong Kong, but she wanted to give me and my sister a change of scenery.
Oh, were you being a bad little boy?
No, it was Mimi, my sister. Growing up in old prosperity, she started down a particular road and couldn't get off of it. And my mother hoped that moving to San Francisco would shake her up, change who she hung out with, you know?
Did it?
Yeah, for a while. But some habits die hard, you know? Some don't die at all.
I'm sorry, Wei. Winston mentioned that she passed away. I didn't mean to bring it up. Hey! Isn't that a van from the wedding cake company?
Hang on!
What are you doing?
Yeah, the guy had the wrong address. Winston asked me to make sure the cake is delivered.
He's so thoughtful. Wei, slow down!
Peggy, if we don't catch that van, you won't have your special cake at your wedding.
What? Fast, go fast!
He's not pulling over.
You're a gangster. Do something. Get out there and get him.
Here.
Careful, don't hurt my cake.
Don't worry.
Get that van. I'll follow you.
Düştük arkadaşlar. Ölmüyoruz. Kaçtı. Gelir mi? Duvarlarım.
Isn't that a van from the wedding cake company?
Hang on.
What are you doing?
Yeah, the guy had the wrong address. Winston asked me to make sure the cake is delivered.
He's so thoughtful. Wait, slow down!
Peggy, if we don't catch that van, you won't have your special cake at your wedding.
What? Fast, go fast!
He's not pulling over.
You're a gangster. Do something. Get out there and get him.
Çok doğru söylüyorum.
Here, take the wheel.
Careful, don't hurt my cake.
Don't worry.
Get that van. Go! You can do it!
Soruyorum abi.
Get close! I'll follow you!
Bırak bakalım. Bunu da ikiye basalım. Hiç boş yapalım. Bizim suçumuz yok. Biz bir şey yapmaz. Geri dikkat. Biz buradan geçeceğim. Bu arada Abdullah Oyunlar kanalı yeni açılmıştı. Ve isteyene
Tell Winston I got the cake.
Wow, that's great. I'll take it right to him.
All done.
Thank you, Wei. Thank you. You know, it makes me think. Look, careful!
Benim için değmezdi valla.
Don't touch the paint!
We're going to the temple, aren't we?
I knew you'd understand. Do you have any family here at all?
No, not anymore.
Well, you're wrong, Wei. You have family. You have us.
Thanks.
No, I mean it. I know Winston's work can be rough, but it makes us a family, too.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Man needs brothers, uncles, and sisters, too.
Help me with that salsa.
Don't... Careful! My car! You know, I could probably set you up if you want. Wait, what are you doing?
Varma lan.
Thanks, man. But I'm not looking for anything serious right now. I wouldn't want it to reflect poorly on you.
Ne oldu?
You're still playing around,
Sen
huh?
arabanı alacaksın Ali.
Let me know if you ever change your mind. I know some nice girls.
Wait here. I'll be right back.
Saçma bir kulağı. Bir
No
var.
one is looking up.
Pardon. Yanlış.
What are you doing here?
When energy flows among flowers, we are all everywhere.
Arkadaşlar bu beni sinir etti.
Not here.
Kapat Steve'de.
Love.
Her an döneriz.
Ah, brother.
Evet. Amacım o yani. Yani amacım kötü.
Wait here. I'll be right back.
Bir şey çalıp böyle yapacağız. Göreceğiz sanırım. Bunları da dönmek yok. Hatırlarsanız birkaç kez görmüştüm.
What are you doing here?
When energy flows among flowers, we are all everywhere. I am here. Not here. I love flowers.
Ah, brother. So true, so true.
You don't belong here.
What is belonging, brother, when we're all part of the same cosmos?
I guess failure is impossible. Hey, who are you?
Well, who is anyone? When we are all each other, part of a single great organism that never dies.
Ah, brother. So true, so true.
Stop right now!
Bana doğru geçiyor. Bana geçiyor. Atak. Evet böyle. Biraz yani. Kahraman.
There it is! Over here!
Bu adamlar nerede oluyor ya? Arkadaşım sinirlenmeye başlıyor. Hepsi arkadaşım çok fazla. Gene oldu, gene sinirlendim. Bak, ağzını kırın. Sen daha bu oyunu az oynamışsın bak. Allah'ım kullanmış oynamışsın. Bu kılık ne?
You got them? Oh, Wade, thank you so much.
How can I say no? Peggy, do you have any Winston's clothes in the back? I don't think these robes gonna make the right impression.
What do you think about this?
Yeah, sure. Cops, perfect.
Hiya. Oh my god. Don't scratch the paint. Ah!
Evet arkadaşlar, bir gün daha yapıp bu videoda sonlandıracağım. Abone olmayı unutmayın, abone olursanız sevinirim.
Thank you, Way.
YouTube
My car.
çok işime yarıyor. Yani benim
It's
için
my
çok
pleasure.
önemli.
And if you're gonna be my sister, the least I can do is help out with your
Lütfen
wedding.
abone olun.
Your mother.
Unutmayın.
I hope so. Sometimes I wonder.
No, I can see it. Life isn't perfect. It never is. You have a good heart.
Peggy,
Nope. I know. Women's intuition. It's the same with Winston. He talks tough, but underneath he's a very caring man. That's why I love him.
thanks.
That's the secret. You do what you have to do, but you always remember your family.
Evet arkadaşlar,
Oh my God.
erken bitireceğim. Yani bazı arkadaşım olduğu için birazdan gidecek. Biraz vakit geçirmek istiyorum. Lütfen abone olun. Güle güle arkadaşlar. Diğer videolarımda görüşmek üzere. Abone olmayı unutmayın. Güle güle.